take the bus?
Funny story.
Because we don't live in the city and we need to go out of the city. The bus comes at 2:30 and it is only 11:30 right now. So we're eating and we're waiting for my cousin Eugene to come and save the day. I'm gonna get this one. I saw them have a gyro. You guys notice anything different about my face?
Wait, mild or barbecue?
Mild. I got my other glasses on.
Then we're gonna get
They got a double? Man, we gotta keep that. Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna keep that adobo in our purse. Oh God, look how crispy, y'all. Look how crispy.
You guys are ever by Louis Pizza House?
Louis Pizza, man.
Come through, show them some love. You see what it look like, right?
Look at these freaking mozzarella sticks. Now that's what you call a freaking mozzarella stick. Wow.
Oh, look at the
Oh.
That's how you know it's made just right.
That's how you know it's real mozzarella.
Okay, let's go.
All right. I gotta put you guys down. I gotta eat. I see it.
See that? No such thing as a tragedy when I'm with you. Everything becomes an adventure.
I'm mad we couldn't take the bus though.
Well, we still could.
You're right.
The cheese.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat one more and save the rest for later. This shit's good as hell though. They did their thing, all this stuff. That sauce is good too. It just looks good.
That's a lot.
Oh yeah.
I know I'm not gonna be able to eat it.
They want you to come back, right?
Thank you.
You too.
Oh, the bag. You got 10 cents? Give her 10 cents for the bag.
Can I buy a bag?
The bag. Here's 10 cents right here, babe. That's that
very
real.
happy so far.
That's that real steak.
Thank you so much.
I know where we're coming.
I'm definitely coming back here. Gotta bring the kids. Come in, brother. Thank
Want
you,
some
man.
chicken wings?
Appreciate you.
Mozzarella stick?
Got chicken
Shut
wings?
up. Eat something.
You can even
Look
have a
who
pizza
saved.
steak
Look
and
who
cheese
saved
if
the
you
day.
want. Eugene in the building.
Saving the day. And we're out. Okay, so anyway, I called AAA. We're in the car with Eugene. I called AAA and Kilo's in the back seat. We threw his ass in the back, man. We can't handle him. He needs more coffee, guys. He needs more coffee.
Way more coffee.
Anyway, AAA is coming. They're going to take the Subi and bring it back to the house. And I'm guaranteed 3 free miles. Good thing it's only 4.5 to get back to the house.
Guys. Let's talk about AAA sucking.
Ignore him. So that's what we're doing. We're waiting for the tow truck guy.
10,000 questions.
And yeah, so that's what we're doing. Don't just ignore him. He's
only gives us 3 freaking miles. Dude, we're gonna push the car a mile. Listen, you know what we could do, babe? We could push the car 1.7 miles, and then we're good.
You're right. We
Let's just start pushing this bad boy. It's all downhill,
We
bro.
just gotta go that way.
Let's go.
Listen.
We can push it a mile. We could totally fucking do it.
You want to save $4? Let's do this.
Listen, I'm
Pinch
willing
that
to do
penny.
anything for you, but I don't got that kind of strength. Okay? Do not have that kind of strength. If it wasn't for the cop.
What are you talking about? Here, take this money. I'll buy you lunch for helping me. I bet you he did.
It's really nice.
Did he do that?
He tried to. The cop ain't gonna take it.
Of course not.
Oh. I hate this guy, don't I?
Yeah. Hello, Joe. She died. She died. My car. It's dead.
Yeah?
The timing belt.
Better the car than you.
That's right.
Right? That's it.
pulled her out of school early because we didn't want to miss her time. And we are now at another car dealership.
You guys already went to one?
Yep. We went to 2 already. I think.
Did you go out?
How's the tires though? Because you know, why does it sound like that?
No, something dragging though.
Something's rubbing on it.
Yeah, it don't sound good.
Sounds like it's rubber.
Oh, I like this one.
Like it.
I like this one. Yeah. Yeah, I like this one. Oh wait, yes I do. Look at the thingy.
The Mini Coopers, I think.
It's got the checkered flag out there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I told her she has to put a British flag.
Fine, whatever. Whatever you gotta do, you know?
Don't say that.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
But who makes it? Sorry, who makes it?
That's a company.
Mini Cooper.
Mini Coopers are from...
Will it be?
Oh, yeah. Coopers are the brand.
Oh, it's pretty.
Need to replace.
Awesome. So normally when you guys, after you guys do all that, I mean, it can pass emissions, no lights. So if I plug in a OBD...
We can't show you a car if it hasn't passed emissions yet.
All right.
So this car has already passed emissions.
Oh, okay.
It just hasn't gone through.
A little bit of
it hasn't done the
TLC.
oil it hasn't done the oil change. We haven't done what we need to do. That e-brake cable.
Gotcha.
We're gonna take a left turn.
But you want to drive a little bit or
No,
good? All right.
I'm good.
Yeah, I mean, it feels
I
pretty
like
good
it.
to
Yeah,
me.
I mean,
No.
Dave, how you feeling?
I feel like it's good.
I feel like it's good too.
I mean, you're the one that drives. I don't want to drive it because
feels good.
anything to me is going to feel great because I'm so used to driving the other car. At least you drive the truck and you can tell the difference.
It feels better than my truck.
Only reason, and again, you just heard me say 400 or 500 cars a month.
Yeah.
We sell the most cars in the Northeast. So if you sell it that much, it's already so much.
Oh,
Just like
okay.
Acura is made by Honda, and you're gonna take it right here. And Volkswagen is made by Audi.
I don't know. Ain't that cool though? I know. I like that. And so, who is this car made by? Just.
Yeah, I think Mini Cooper is the brand itself. Cooper. Whatever.
Well, remember this.
No, I think you're right. Just Mini. Yeah.
This guy had his Mini Cooper for at least four years. Remember when our neighbor had one?
Yeah.
He never had a
I
problem
just like
with
it
his.
because it's unique. It's not that like it's a luxury car. It's
I
not,
know, but
you
we want
what
it to
I mean?
last.
I didn't really.
I mean, we don't drive that much though. It's not like we take long trips and we drive every single day.
Kidnap you right out your trunk.
Why would you even start that all over again? Oh my God! You know what?
It doesn't happen.
Yeah, somebody's
to
gonna steal you,
everybody.
Kilo. You think you can't get stolen?
I could have. That's why my mom made sure I was aware.
No, you could get
That's all I
stolen
was
right
trying to
now
do
as a
was make
grown
my-
man.
There was times that I used to say something. My
Why
mom's
did
like,
you
that sounds
do that?
dangerous.
Look who's in the car, guys. That boy Lalo up in the car. Kilo, I'm scared for you. I'm scared for you.
The
And
problem with is that we used to listen to adults. Now it's shut up, adults.
nobody told you to shut up.
Basically did.
No,
let's
but
keep it
don't put
moving.
words in my mouth, okay?
Make it right at the light, sir.
Don't put words in my mouth.
Nothing.
Yeah,
Just a dad.
daddy is.
Just a
No,
dad.
we're tired. We all been together and frustrated. Oh, of course you are, you fool. Now you're going on my video.
It's a bad thing to do.
I would be going on your video at some point.
No. Angie was talking about, Daddy, that's where they do the trunk or treat. Daddy was like, what? Trunk or treat? That sounds dangerous. You know, you could get kidnapped.
Typical stuff. You know how your dad is. That's why I'm the most hated.
Lilo,
Everyone pretends that they love me,
how was your day, baby?
but they really hate me.
Be like a picture thing too.
And then you're just gonna park over there where it says smoke plus, so I can leave. And then you guys, I'm just gonna walk home.
Because I'll follow right as you're walking. I'll follow you. Come on, hey, what's going on, Kayla?
I'm like, now you drop that chick off. I'm not getting in the car till you drop that chick off, bro.
You see, that's how he talks to me.
She's mean to me. You should see how the way she hurts me.
I do not hurt
Me
him.
out right here.
All I told him was he was starting to
It
sing.
was a lot. It was just.
What are we doing?
Kilo.
Believe me, I understand how I am wrong now. I learn.
They already talk junk.
I learn every day. I need to get your mother something. We're here for your mother.
So we find a car?
Be careful, somebody might steal you.
We found a car, but then we...
How do I open this window? Hurry up, get in here. Somebody's gonna steal you, Rosie.
Then Mom called someone and they said go get it.
Yeah, hurry up. Somebody's gonna steal you. People looking at me like I'm crazy.
You are crazy.
Yeah. It's been a long day, Layla.
Yeah,
Really?
I got
Would've been
out
nice if
at
you
2,
told me.
and now it's this time. I just got
Why would I tell you that?
I don't know, because I didn't know I had one.
It just grew out of nowhere. Like if I had a big pimple on my nose,
Look at me.
you could be like, "Dang, Mel, you got a big pimple on
It
your nose."
wouldn't matter anyway, because I'm getting home.
You're gonna make a left-hand turn, sir.
Look, now he's calling you sir.
Shut up.
No, thank you.
No, we got a
I
bunch of food out
am
here.
ready
Yes, we do.
to go home.
We're all ready. Who's cooking
I
dinner?
thought it meant there's a lot
Who's
of
cooking
food
dinner
out
for
here.
you,
What do you
Eugene?
think I mean?
Me, I cook my own dinner.
You do? What are you cooking?
This mommy, she hates me, bro.
What does she eat?
I just want my wife to come back from Afghanistan.
Oh, so you cook for her. When are you gonna cook?
Miss her now.
I guess I'm gonna have to cook some chicken.
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to talk. Have a real conversation. A real one.
You don't have to FaceTime my boo.
Have fun.
Let me know how that works out.
Yeah.
Babe, when you coming back? I miss you so much.
You don't even have your phone.
The woman I'm with now just hates me.
Does she got a single friend? Because I could use one right now.
I'll ask her. But if she does, she's in Afghanistan.
That's
too,
fine. I'll talk to her.
fighting a war, doing important things. Real conversations. I fight with mommy. Please.
Listen, Layla, you know how daddy gets when he's ready to go and he starts singing real loud? I'm sorry, but do you? Okay, that's all I have to say. Yeah, he was ready to go.
How about
Legs
this, guy?
shaking.
How
He's
about
like,
your mom is anxious?
where
I don't
is-
do anything to hurt her.
your mother
Isn't that weird?
does not start. I get closed in. I don't start being all loud.
Ridicule you.
When I'm anxious, I stop talking. You just get loud, louder, louder, louder.
Then leave me. You don't
You-
like me? Leave me.
You're not even anxious. You're angry. You're
Leave me then.
irritated. You're trying to make people rush you. But little do you know, they'll let you sit there longer. You think if you're loud, that they are going to come to you quicker. But they are thinking, this guy's an asshole. I'm going to make him wait.
Who cares what they're thinking?
Well, I was telling you to be quiet because I knew that's what they were thinking. I saw her. I heard them talking about you. I heard them. They were like, this guy.
Totally making it up.
This freaking guy. That's why we're making him wait because he's so freaking loud.
They're like, why is that dude with her?
You two could never separate. There's nobody else to do it. You would have to go back to each other.
like
She better be nice to mom.
like Uncle Saul. Oh, look at that old lady. Oh, my lips are hurting.
I couldn't work today.
Yes.
I would rather been driving than dealing with this chaotic crap.
If you would have got a car that you would have liked,
Laylo, we had to walk a whole entire mile to get to the appointment. More than that, okay?
When you grew up with a crybaby, oh, it is a lot.
Laylo, I was wearing my Timbs
I'm talking to a guy that walks 2
and my tight jeans.
when I leave.
Yeah, Laylo. That's because you want to, okay? But you want to.
I tried.
Okay, we're ending this. This is just a great day. We need to go home. He's quiet.
Imagine not buying a car.
Let me shut it off. He's quiet now, guys. He's quiet.